How long after caulking can you use the shower or tub depends on the specific product cure time and the conditions in your bathroom. Most high-quality silicone sealants designed for bathrooms will be water-ready in 30 minutes to 24 hours. But full cure can take up to 72 hours depending on temperature, humidity, and joint size. Use advanced fast-curing silicones such as GE Supreme, which advertise water-ready performance in 30 minutes. Yet, always read and follow the product label because some formulations need longer to achieve full adhesion. Prepare the joint by removing old sealant, cleaning with isopropyl alcohol, and ensuring surfaces are dry so the new sealant bonds properly. Damp or soiled surfaces will delay cure and reduce seal integrity. Apply a consistent bead, tool the joint within the product's skin time to compact the sealant and remove voids. Then avoid touching or disturbing the bead while it skins over. Increase room temperature to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit and raise humidity if possible for moisture curing products because controlled warmth accelerates cure while cold slows it. Portable fans can help ventilation but do not blow directly on the bead. For wide joints deeper than 1/4 inch, use a foam backer rod to limit cure shrinkage and ensure two-sided adhesion rules are respected so the sealant licenses proper movement accommodation. Common mistakes are assuming water-ready equals fully cured, which leads to premature use and eventual leaks. Mitigate by allowing the manufacturer's stated full cure time for load-bearing or constant immersion areas, even if the product is water-ready early. Relying on old stock or improperly stored cartridges can cause inconsistent cure and poor adhesion. Check manufacture date and store sealants in cool, dry conditions and replace cartridges older than the shelf life printed on the tube. Failing to prepare the surface or using the wrong sealant type for the substrate will cause poor bonding and mildew growth. Always remove old caulk. Clean with a suitable cleaner. Choose a bathroom-rated silicone with mold inhibitors for porous tile or metal, and perform a small adhesion test if unsure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical project information related to caulking, turnaround, and product choice. We host an active discussion community where we share real-world experiences, ask specific timing questions, and help contractors find work and homeowners find trade partners.